everyone, it's Caden here with another episode of Single Section Sunday, where this week we're featuring the model known as the RiverView. Now you may be asking yourself, what's so special about the RiverView? Guys, what isn't special about this? It's a one bedroom, one bathroom cabin that is perfect for your property with the mixture of the cabin look with the contemporary style. And it all starts right here as we've got this gorgeous exterior fireplace with the cedar stained mantle right above. You've got a TV jack up here so you can sit out here, listen to some music, roast some marshmallows, enjoy time with your kids, with your grandkids, or with your spouse. Be good to go. You've got some stained hardy posts right here with the stained cedar railing. Guys, this gives it the perfect complement to accent with this fireplace, guys. Now if you'll follow me inside, we'll check out the best part of the house. You're probably asking yourself, how much better could the RiverView get? Guys, take a look inside. With this home being about 18 feet wide, it opens up your living room space, it opens up your kitchen space. Guys, it gives you so much room in here for a one bedroom cabin. If you start right over here, you see you've got enough room for a full-size sofa. You've got even more room if you want to do another full-size sofa. We've got two windows here. If you don't do the fireplace, we can actually get you another window over there as well. That way you can get a lot more natural light coming in. And then we complement it very well with the clear story windows right up here with the single window below, giving you some more natural light, giving you some character, giving you that character that you need and that you want for your property. Now as you follow me in here, we'll check out the highlight of the house. Guys, what's the first thing you notice here? Is it the stainless appliances? Is it the farm sink? Or is it the standard under cabinet lighting? Guys, that is something to be proud of. You can see that you've got the under cabinet lighting right here. Guys, there are no dark spaces in your kitchen. You don't have to worry about cutting a finger or something because you can't see because you don't have any light. Guys, you are covered on this house. You've got tons of cabinet space right here. Again, we've got our window above the sink. You've got a corner cabinet right there to try and maximize your space. We've got stainless steel appliances, the side-by-side fridge, convection microwave, your standard, your stainless smooth top stove. Guys, we have you covered on this one. You also have a dishwasher right here behind me. Now that's what a lot of complaints that we get are, great, it's an awesome house, but how do I have to do my dishes? I'm not gonna pay someone to do it, and I'm not gonna do it. Guys, we've got a dishwasher in this model. Once you branch out to just a little bit bigger space, we get dishwashers and we get full-size dishwashers. Now as you'll follow me right over here, you can see you've got a ton of pantry space here. Guys, we've got cabinets galore inside of here. You've got real wood shelves, real wood doors. Guys, we do everything real around here. As you follow me through here, we've got your furnace door right here because you've got central heat and air inside this home with all of your ceiling vents. You've got a nice little hallway, and then you end up in your master bathroom. Guys, double sinks in your master bathroom. 1, 2. Plus additional cabinet space, guys. You are so covered on cabinet space in this home. Even more so, look at all the overhead cabinets. Guys, if you're downsizing into something like this, how much space do you need? We can get it for you. You've even got dryer connections and a washer connections, so that way you can stand here, take your clothes out of the dryer, take your clothes out of the washer, move them right over. Again, with overhead cabinets in each one of those sections. Guys, how much storage do you need here? Again, we've got our shower right here, our 48-inch shower. You can do this as a tub shower combo. If you want to stack your washer dryer, shift your toilet down a little bit and you can get a big tile shower in here, guys. You've got tons of options on this home. As you follow me right through here, you end up in your master. We've got ceiling fans, we've got can lighting, and look at this gorgeous shiplap accent wall. Guys, shiplap is in and shiplap is popping. Look at how pretty that is. It's white, it's painted, it is on point. You've got his and her closets right here, 1, 2. Your closets go all the way down the wall, all the way down that wall, and guys, you've got space galore inside this home. Now as you follow me right back through here, just want you to kind of take in this open concept, take in this wow factor inside this home as you flow back into your living room and into your kitchen area. Guys, thank you everyone so much for checking out another episode of Single Section Sunday. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, shoot us a message, give us a call. We'll help you any way we can. Thanks everyone, have a great day.